Hello, I hope you can hear me properly because my webcam was working up. But as you can see, we have a normal playlist here with 9 randomly chosen songs. And if we go over here and we run our script, so it starts playing a song, but what it also does is creates this samesies playlist with the songs reordered so that they flow a bit better based on aggregate of a bunch of different musical properties of the song. So You Belong With Me should play Into Fireflies a bit more smoothly than, say, You Belong With Me, or it's the same over here, but say the first 2 songs here. Can't Stop Me Now, Into 1,000 Years isn't very smooth, but over here, Can't Stop Me Now moves into Another One Bites the Dust, which flows a bit better. We also have an emotional detection aspect. So I can't show my face here, but it is thinking I have a neutral face right now, but if I smile, it turns green. Takes a bit long because we're running other things, but it does green for happy, white for neutral, blue for sad, and see I just went back to neutral. But let's say I'm happy and I play a song. It will come over here, and if we look at our valence playlist, which was automatically sorted by the valence or happiness of a song, we can see it's down over here in the happier songs. But if I'm neutral, it will play one from the middle of the playlist. And if I'm sad, it will play one of the first 3. In the final application, obviously this wouldn't be button actuated. It would just automatically go after the end of the previous songs. But we had to make sure that it would fit in the video. So as much as I love Owl City, I'm going to pause that and we can look at the code. So our main emotion detection and Arduino integration code is written in Node.js. This offers some challenges because Node.js relies on asynchronous applications in a lot of cases. But the actual logic for this program was mainly synchronous, in that we have to load things in from the camera, then process it, then output it, then integrate with the Arduino, when all these scripts are running in parallel. So that was a challenge. But our Spotify integration code was all written in Python, due to a library called SpotedPy that made it really easy. So we obviously hid all our passwords in a different file that I'm not going to show you, but this calls this function, to sort these songs into an order that makes sense musically. And it also will call this function to sort it by the happiness criteria, and then wait to see if the node script will send it a command to play a happy, sad, or neutral song. And yeah, that's basically it. You can see it's still changing on me. And yeah, we're just actuating it with this very simple button circuit right now. I hope you enjoyed our display of playlist. That is a very dumb name that we'll need to change. But yeah. One other note, we meant to run this entire code on a Raspberry Pi, but I believe there is a driver issue right now in Windows, in that if you try and write a Raspberry Pi OS to an SD card, it becomes cursed and will blue screen of death every computer. So right now it's just running on my laptop. But in the future, we want to put this code all on a Raspberry Pi instead. All right.